Before we know it, we're going to be powering our heaters on soon, and we don't want, when we reach to turn up the heat, that it fails to work. Let's prepare for the unexpected, so don't throw caution to the wind today. We'll get valuable insights and tips to ensure your home is ready for any unpredictable climate challenges. Big Mountain Heating and Air can help homeowners living comfortably with their energy efficient services. Here to tell us how you can end up on cloud nine despite the forecast, we have Baron Larson of Big Mountain Heating and Air. Hey, Baron.
Hey, Desiree. Cloud nine.
There we go, cloud nine.
Yeah.
Baron, can you tell our viewers why it's important to be proactive in maintaining our HVAC systems in preparation for unexpected weather changes? Because it's starting to happen now.
Yeah. It's going to save you a lot of frustrations. It's going to save you a lot of money. It's going to keep you safer. I can go on, really. You didn't bust me. I put my little cheat sheet here.
Oh, very tiny. What?
That's
oh,
a you.
You. Oh.
It's a unique service.
Oh.
I had to. Seriously, though, we really are. It's been almost a decade that we've offered what I know to be a very unique service when it comes to taking care of your heating and air conditioning system, because it takes care of not just, last week it was colder and you wore your coat. This week I wore my coat, you didn't. But it's going to be cooler it's back and forth right now season, and so we take care of both the furnace and the air conditioner. So that's really a unique part of what we do. Yeah,
and speaking of with the weather changing, what would you say is the biggest reason for breakdowns with the AC or furnace?
Always begins, I shouldn't say always, but mostly it begins with the accumulation of dirt in the system as you run it, because you're running that blower motor that pulls the air, and the air can be dirtier than you think. As you can see, it's very typical for us to accumulate a lot of dust and filth in the home, and when we turn it on, we churn that dust and filth up because it's moving it through the ductwork, and we end up breathing a lot of that filth, and that's another aspect of the reason to take care of your heating and air conditioning system.
Yeah, we don't want to breathe any of that in. So what makes Big Mountain unique?
Well, like I said, I like to focus on, there's a lot of things. There's two things major, and that is when we do our rejuvenation service, so many of these tune-ups are sales gimmicks, okay? And they don't do much when they come to the home, except find out that maybe they can't sell you something, so they pack it up and leave, and you don't get much value out of the service. We're gonna spend 2 and 3 hours, and that's unique when we do both the furnace and the air conditioner rejuvenation. And we do it at a loss leader price. I think somebody else in the market is now marketing a 2-for-1 furnace and air conditioner. They call it a tune-up, right? Most heating and air companies do. $139. Well, you know the price when we get to the end of the show here. It's going to show that we offer a loss leader price of only $69 if you're the first 10 callers.
All right, and in this time of changing weather, we all kind of want peace of mind, especially when it comes to our HVAC systems. Does Big Mountain offer any service guarantees?
Oh yeah, there's another one. It's not just a guarantee of the one season, whether it's air conditioner or whether it's heating. It's both. It's 12 months guaranteed against breakdown, of the service is free. Again, we like to point out that we've opened up our service area besides the greater Sacramento, Placer, El Dorado market. We're into the Solano County, down into the San Joaquin counties too. So if you've called before on that special and haven't been able to get us to be able to come to your service area, give us a call, and we'll get you on the schedule. And the frustrations of your system breaking down on you are going to be really minimized, because you'll know who to call if you do have a problem, because it's free to have us come right back out.
All right, and for our first 10 viewers, you have a special offer for them.
Yep, here it comes, $69, and you just give us a call at that number, 916-378-4664. You can find us at bigmountainair.com, and disregard the price on our website. Take advantage of the $69 price. As I say often, I don't know if you know where I'm going.
What do you say,
I'm going to say
Who do
Why
you call?
pay more when you can pay less?
I was like, I know that. Who do you call? Baron, thanks for joining.
Ghostbusters.
There we go. Ghostbusters. Big Mouth.
All right.
Baron, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Desiree.
All right. And you can visit bigmountainair.com for details on all of their heating and air services.